how do you show up for an event?
Late. Chris and I were having a laugh when we were putting this together because I thought it was just, bad manners and maybe I don't manage my time really well, but my personality style is that I like to make an entrance and I will like a bee around, the flowers. I will meet all of you in a flurry and then I'll plonk myself down and get seated. But I will turn up late and I'll be doing this. I'm here! It's me! Like, because I'm full of myself a little bit, but also because it's my personality. I like to walk into a room and go, all right, I'm here, get the party started, are you all good? Yep. And I'll go boom, boom around the room and then I'll sit down.
Okay. So, Chris, how do you show up for an event?
Early, I have to counter that with the early. And really prepared. So if I've prepared something a week before, I'm on time. If I've prepared it a day before, I'm running really late. But when I walk into a room, not only will I get here early and be almost the first in the door, and quite honestly this morning, I was panicked. I planned to be here at 8:30, because that's an hour before the event actually was supposed to start. I didn't walk in the door till 8:45. I'd rung Janelle, I'd rung Anne, I'd rung Nicole. Terry was next on my list because I was feeling quite anxious about getting here on time. And yet, I was still probably number 3 in the door. So that's how I tend to show up. And when I walk in the door, I actually gravitate to someone that I already know. And I speak to them because that makes me feel really, really comfortable.